In this quick video, I am going to show you how to animate in Alight Motion. So it is really easy. Firstly, open Alight Motion app in your mobile and then under projects tap on the plus icon, and from here you can choose the aspect ratio, resolution, frame rate and color of your background. Once you select all of these things, then tap on create project. Once your project is created, on the bottom hand side you will see the option of plus icon. Once you tap on it, then from here you can add any shape you want. You can also add any image from your device. So I just want to insert this basketball image, so I need to select it, and once the image is added, you can drag the corners of that image to adjust the size of it. I want to make it like this and place it anywhere you want. Now to animate it, firstly select your object and set your playhead at the starting of the clip. Now while selecting your clip, go to move and transform, and here we can add keyframes to animate our object according to us. So firstly I want to position my basketball at this position and then place your first keyframe. So it is the starting point of your animation. So we need to add our keyframe by tapping on this diamond icon, and you will notice that a diamond icon has been added on my clip on my timeline as well. You can see it here. And now what we need to do is move forward in your timeline. So I just want to go at the end of my timeline, and here I want to add my second keyframe or a second point of my object animation, and then move your object according to you. So I just want to move it here, and you will notice that a line has been added on my object. So it is a path of my object that it will move from. So if I preview my clip, you can see the basketball is now animating from a straight line. And to ease that in or to make that animation smoother, we just need to go to the start of our clip and then tap on this ease icon from the bottom. Once we tap on it, from here you will see bunch of ease options. So basically what it will do is it will make your animation smoother, and you can also adjust these handles to make your animation according to you. I just want to go with this one, and if I play my clip, you can see the basketball is now animating more smoother. You can also repeat the process for animating your size for your object, or you can change the color of your object in an animation. So basically all of these things can be done using keyframes in Alight Motion. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.